This video is entitled Check Your Balls, and there's a very good reason for doing that. This car came in for an evaluation, an inspection to see what was wrong with it, and there was a nasty clunk in the front axle. The transfer case isn't very good either, but that's another story. But I was listening to this, and I'll turn the camera around so you can see. And the swivel balls on this are really pitted. Now, I don't know when this was serviced last or anything, but this is a TD5. This is a 2006 TD5, and I'm trying to source what this clunking actually is. So I've got it on the hoist. I haven't shrunk. I'm on my knees at the moment begging, but we've taken the plug out of the swivel ball housing, and because these were filled with grease, there's no level on here, if you see what I mean. There's no level to find out how much lubrication's in there. So I've got a screwdriver bit here, and I'm going to dip it in the hole. So I've turned the camera around and you can see. So there we are. Let's move it forward a bit. There you go. And you can see this is very, very badly pitted. But there's no leaks. I'm going to take our screwdriver bit, try not to drop it in completely, and as we can see, there is next to nothing. It went up to the red line. Let's go there. That's right down at the bottom. That's what we call having now in there. Right. So, moral of the story: check your levels and check your balls, because this now will probably need a full axle rebuild, because the other side's just as bad. But for now, I'm going to put a tube of grease in there just to make sure that nothing actually seizes up. There is a bit of lubrication in there, but what's in there I don't know. So there you go. Check your balls. It's also important for men's health, except for Justin Trudeau, because he doesn't have any. Alright, see you in the next video.